morning students, welcome to Shivaji Group of Institutions online classes. This is your biology class for class 6 and my today's topic is modification of leaves. So what is modification? Students, you know the main function of the leaf is to prepare food for the plant. But in some cases, in some plants, leaves are also modified in various ways. So this is also the function of leaves. Why these leaves are modified into various ways? Because every leaves perform different types of functions by the modification. We will discuss the modification of leaves. The first is leaf spines. In some plants, leaves are modified into spines. This is basically seen in xerophytic plant. In xerophytic plants, leaves are modified into sharp pointed like structure called spines. So what is the example of xerophytic plant? Cactus. In cactus plants, leaves are modified into sharp pointed like structure, and these structures are called spines. So what is the main functions that leaves are modified into spines? So these spines protect the plant from grazing animals. Grazing means the animals like cow, goat, these are grazing animals which eat green grass, green plants. Those are called grazing animals. So the first function of these spines is to protect the animal from the protect the plant from the grazing animals. And next, you know students, the cactus is mainly found in desert area. And in desert area, there is a scarcity of water. So these spines reduce the water loss. By transpiration. These spines reduce the water loss by transpiration. This is the second function of these spines. So in cactus plant, mainly the leaves are modified into these spines. Okay, and the next is leaf tendril. And the second is leaf tendril. In some plants, leaves are modified into thin, coiled and thread-like structures. Thin, coiled and thread-like structure. These are called leaf tendrils. So, these tendrils are sensitive to touch. When these tendrils come in contact with an object, they coil the object. When they come in contact with an object, they coil the object. And they help to plant to climb up. These are basically found in climbers plant. So these tendrils help the plant to climb up. These are mainly found in grapevine and pea plant. And the next is in onion plant. In onion plant, leaves are modified into stem to store food. This is the next type of modification of leaves. So they are called scale leaves. Means in scale leaves, some leaves are modified to store food. And the next type is modification of leaves in insectivorous plants. Modification of leaves in insectivorous plants. Students, in some plants, leaves are modified into various ways. So these modification basically found in the areas where the soil are not rich in nutrition. So the plant didn't get the nutrition from the soil, and for the nutrition they caught the insect and digest them. So these plants are called insectivorous plants, and this type of modification is called modification of leaves in insectivorous plants. Like for example, this type of modification are found in pitcher plant, Venus flytrap, and bladderwort. So students, this is the modification of leaves. Leaves are modified into spine for the protection and reduce of water loss. Like in cactus. And in leaf tendrils, the modification is for support of the plant, and these are found in grapevine or pea plant. And in scale leaves, for the storage of food, leaves are modified to scale leaves, like in onion. And the modification of leaves in insectivorous plant to digest the insect for the nutrition. This type of modification is found. This is the modification of leaves. Thank you, class.